Hey little crafters, crafties. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am doing a journal with handmade journal supplies and the color theme is happen to be blue. It's just happened like I didn't plan it. I just take that coat paper like you have the most precious gift of life itself and I just try to according to that color theme and it happened to be blue. So I have used like mostly handmade supplies, the handmade paper, and I have written the code handmade too. And these are handmade paper and handmade washi tapes, and the envelope is handmade too. And here are some galaxy theme tapes. These are also handmade. You can check the tutorial of all these supplies on my channel. And also, yes, some people are saying to me that Didi, stop doing journaling, do something else now. So I should say or not, I'm sorry that I'll be continue doing journaling because I love it. And if you want some new videos, I will try to make some varieties videos, but I can't stop making journal videos. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching.